All right, go ahead. You know how to fold it up, Phil. Nope, nope, nope.
How do you fold it?
So first of all, you go this way.
Okay.
So it's like that, okay? Now, put it down like this.
Okay.
And get on the end of it. Okay? Hands out the other side over here. And just, no, don't bend it like that. Bend it like this. Not in the middle. Okay? Not quite in the middle. Okay, now reverse your hands and keep pushing over. No, don't do that yet. Just keep pushing over. Now, cross your legs. Cross your legs. Cross your legs. Now, while switching your hands over, spin around real quick. You gotta go a little deeper. And you gotta switch your hands. I thought that would get you. So you're here.
Okay.
You reverse your hands.
You didn't cross your legs, John. Come on.
Well, that's why he's having this trouble.
And you curtsy. Like the queen. Curtsy.
Well, she's not curtsying much lately.
Ah, success.
I wanted him to cross his legs with Oh. That's my laugher. Did
I get it tight enough?
I'm not holding the bag very well.
Oops, there's some.
Ta-da! These tracks. I think this is a cow. Yeah, that's a hoof, or it could be a big.
Yeah, this